Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. My husband and I just took a cruise on the MSC Seashore, and today I'm going to show you the room we stayed in. Room 11096. And yes, I decorated the door flamingo style. So the first thing you need to do is put your card in here, because if you don't, you will not have any electricity. So you got lights here, lights there. This is the bathroom. I'll show you that in a little bit. But I have hooks. These come with the room, and I brought some magnet hooks because the walls are magnetized. Okay. So we've already been in this room for a 7-day cruise, and we're getting ready to go on the 4-day part of our 11-day back-to-back. Back-to-back meaning 2 cruises, one right after the other. So we've been in here a week, and it's ample room, and we do spend quite a bit of time in here since we have a balcony, which I'll show you in a little bit. Let's talk about the bed. I like the bedding. They do not have a flat sheet, and I guess that's a European thing. So you have a fitted sheet, and you have a duvet, pillows. They do have, let's see, they have like really hard pillows, and they have soft pillows. We do not like, here's a soft pillow. Soft pillows are nice, hard pillows we don't like. But that's a preference thing. Plenty of room for storage here. That's the only side that has a place where you can plug your phone. Lights on both sides. Let's open this up. We have plenty of storage. There is a very small safe. I don't think even an iPad will fit in here. We have 2 drawers. This is a fake drawer, so I only have 2 drawers there. This side we had plenty of hangers, so we probably could have asked for more. Like I said, we've been on the cruise for 7 days, so some of our clothes are already dirty, and hence the extra hangers. Plenty of room for your shoes. Mirror, which I'm not a fan of that, although I do like having a full-length mirror, but it's really close to the bed, so you can't back up and see what you look like. All right, trash can, other storage. This does make into a bed. There's our Nemo painting. That's the balcony. Pretty good sized TV there. More storage. And here we do have 3 drawers, which that's a big one. Plenty of storage. We do have a hair dryer. I brought these. That's my hair drawer. There is a bar. Everything in here you do have to pay for, but we have found that the cans of Cokes, they're actually cheaper. They're $3.50 as of the filming of this, versus I think it was like $4.20 down at the bar, because you have to pay a tip. So it's just cheaper to get them out of there. I don't know about anything else in there. It's just the sodas. All right, we got plenty of room here. My husband brought his library. He's already read. He's on his 4th book. And here's a place for you to sit. If you want to use this as a desk, which I have used. All right. Now for the bathroom and the balcony. Oh, forgot to show you this. The remote doesn't fit in there, so I'm not really for sure. We have not for sure what it's for, except for maybe to store your cords. I am handing out earrings. I'm hiding them instead of ducks, and they just fit really well in there. Just grab a pair a day and go hide them somewhere. And by the way, this is not the best place to put your makeup on. The bathroom is. Lighting, even though there is lighting here, is very poor. A lot of shadows. So no makeup applying at this place, especially when you've got the curtain open and the sun's shining in there. You really have a lot of bad shadows. All right, as far as plugins go, you have two USB port plugins. You got two US plugs. This is a on and off switch for in here over the mirror. This is for outside light on the balcony. And then you have two of these type of plugins. All right, so front door. As you come in, you have the bathroom, which is very tiny, but I don't spend much time there. So we've got washcloths. I know some people have said they've had to ask for washcloths. Ours are always there. Ample storage for all your stuff. Trash can and extra toilet paper there. Tiny shower. This is your temperature control, on and off. Oh. Oops. You can put your wet bathing suits or whatever. And it goes across it. There. I just have to use two hands. But anyway, there you go. Shower gel and shampoo. No conditioner. And this just swivels. And very tiny. And there's your mirror. The best place to put your makeup on. All right, now for the balcony. Ooh, I think I just heard some thunder. It's raining. Yep, that was thunder. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, we're gonna get some rain. Anyway, this is Terminal 10. Everybody getting on the ship. Glad I'm already on. That's how we head out of here. That is the Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas, one of the world's biggest cruise ships. Anyway, this is the balcony. Very ample. We have two chairs. One little thing to put your feet in, but you know, y'all can share it, so you don't need two. Many days spent out here. Jacuzzi's right down there. And this right here is why I love a balcony. If you cruise, what type of room do you get? Balcony? Ocean view? Do you get an inside cabin? Or do you splurge for the yacht club? Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.